Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a filler in the rhythm. In the previous video, we have learned one rhythm that sounds like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. And today we are going to add a filler in this rhythm. We will start with the same rhythmic pattern, that is 1 and a 2 and a. And on third beat we will play the high tone like this, 3 E and a. Make sure you start with your left hand and you have to strike 4 times like this, 3 E and a. And we will repeat the same pattern on the mid tone on fourth beat like this, 4 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. Now let's play it together. 1 and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this rhythm on your Congo, or you can take any pillow for that. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.